This is my first Realme smartphone, and to be quite honest, it really amazed me. Depending on which part of the world you actually live in, you might actually never consider buying a Realme smartphone, but just hear me out. This phone is special, this is different. Meet Realme 6. And for the given price tag, I guess this is the cheapest smartphone with 90Hz screen refresh rate right at the moment. So how is this different and what it really gives in 40,000 price range? Let's find out. The phone is in a bold and bright yellow box. It is hard to miss this color among the boxes of other phones. Inside the box you will be greeted with a little welcome note, inside which are some user manuals and a silicone phone case. It has Realme engraved on its side. It is good to see these phone manufacturers are including the essentials in the boxes now. Also there is a SIM ejector tool. Next up we have the phone itself. Let's keep it aside for a while. Underneath the phone we have a Type A to Type C charging cable, and we have a 30-watt VOOC fast charging brick. Now talking about the phone, the design is aesthetically pleasing. The phone has a 6.5-inch screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2400p at 405 pixels per inch with an aspect ratio of 20:9. It has a 90Hz screen refresh rate, which makes the phone scrolling buttery smooth and snappy. With the back of the phone made of hard plastic, the feel of the phone is not much of a premium, but it feels good in hands, no doubt. The fingerprint scanner is my favorite. Not that kind of favorite, I mean, it works kind of nice, but the actual thing which I'm excited about is that it is slightly embedded in the phone body, which makes it easier to recognize. Instead of plain scanner, as I had on my Razr phone 2, the scanner on Realme 6 feels nice. There are volume buttons on the side with a SIM card tray, which support dual SIM and a memory card for an expanded storage. Though the phone is already at 128GB of onboard storage, but an expandable memory is always welcome. There is a headphone jack. In the times of all phones slowly removing 3.5mm headphone jacks, Realme has kept it. Though I'm more of a Bluetooth guy, but still a touch of headphone jack is nice. Let's talk about the UI. Realme 6 rocks Android 10 with the Realme UI version 1. The UI is fast and snappy with no bloatware, due to which the apps and games glide along the UI smoothly. The settings menu, the home screen, the apps drawer, and the management of everything is as pleasant as you could expect from a 40,000 rupees smartphone. With a 4GB of RAM, the apps have no issue running and staying in the background. The phone has exceptional power management, I must say. With 4300 mAh battery, the phone lasted me about one complete day on one charge with normal usage and gaming occasionally throughout the day. And gaming on this phone is amazingly good, if not the best. I tried playing multiple games on it, and with ARM Mali G76 GPU and 90Hz of screen refresh rate, the games run buttery smooth. 90Hz on a phone in this price range is quite astonishing. The Geekbench scores are fairly good for a phone at this price range. It will play any game thrown at it with quite an ease, especially compared to the Razr phone 2. Let's talk about the camera, shall we? The phone has a quad camera setup on the back. It has a 64 megapixel AI main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera with 109 degrees field of view, a 2 megapixel super macro lens for close-up shots, and a black and white portrait lens, which I really don't understand what is the point of. Realme 6 supports video shooting up to 4K 30fps or 1080p and 720p at 60fps with UIS video stabilization. Okay, complaint time now. First of all, the display is not as bright as I expected it to be. I mean, it is not bright enough to see in the daylight, but it serves the purpose really well. And the cameras are okay with what you can expect from a 40,000 rupees smartphone camera to be, as long as you keep your expectations realistic. Yes, the phone feels a little thick, but it is not that bulky, so it feels good in hands. But there are many other competitors which are slimmer than this phone, so if you are someone who is looking for a sleek phone, this one might not be for you. Though the phone emphasizes that it can connect to 5 GHz networks, even at startup, when I tried connecting it, it simply failed to connect. As for the battery goes, the 4300 mAh battery holds enough juice to last me through one complete day between cycles with normal usage and light to moderate gaming. My only complaint with this phone is its non-reliable fingerprint scanner and face unlock. See, when I was setting the face unlock, it did not even see my complete face as I was behind camera, and it scanned my face in a fraction of a second. And the fingerprint scanner does not register fingerprints often, and I have to try it 2 to 3 times to unlock my phone. Besides that, this is a wonderful phone, and Realme 6 is one of its kind if you're looking for aesthetics, performance, and super fast 90Hz screen in a price that does not break your bank. ZeeForce Gaming does not make paid reviews, neither do I take copy approval before publishing a video. This means that Realme might be watching this video at the same time as you are. Please subscribe to ZeeForce Gaming to support my efforts. Until next time, my friends, take care, goodbye.